में जो आज टेस्ट हुआ है वो आज कंप्लीट टेस्ट सॉल्व करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिफाइन द इडियम स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट। इट्स आंसर इज द एबिलिटी टू मैनेज और सक्सीड इन डिफ़िकल्ट और डेंजरस सिचुएशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what does it means to be under the cloud? Its answer is to feel worried due to the necessity of completing something by a specific time or in a particular way. Next question, explain the proverb once bitten twice shy. Its answer is a person becomes more cautious after having a bad experience. Next question, what behavior is advised by the phrase mind your PS and QS? Its answer is watching one's behavior and language. Its answer is next question, what is the primary goal of precision agriculture? Its answer is to apply resources like water and fertilizer in a targeted efficient manner. Next question, term mutual. Its answer is definition, a type of agreement between countries. Next question, concept detective actions. Its answer is to be examined. Next question, identify the missing number in the series 24 question mark 256 65 536. Its answer is 32. Next question, identify the next term in the series 5 10 20 40 and question mark. Its answer is 80. Next question, complete the following numerical series 100 90 80 question mark 60. Its answer is 70. Next question, what is the missing number in the sequence 243 81 27 9 and its answer is 3. Next question, calculate 4 over 3 of 160. Its answer is 120. Next question, if a 10 pence cost Rs 100, what is the cost of 5 pence? Its answer is 50. Next question, if the sum of number is 50 and the one number is 18, what is the other number? 32. What is the average of the first 10 natural numbers? 5.5. Next question, what is the average of first 4 even numbers? 5. What is the average of first 5 multiple of 3? 9. Calculate 20% of 450. 90. 75 is what percent of 300? 25%. Calculate the percentage of our score of 360 out of 450 marks. 80%. Next question, if the ratio of girls to boys 3:2 and there are 30 boys, how many girls are there? 20. Determine the larger share when Rs 600 is divided in a 3:3 ratio. Its answer is 360. Determine the smaller share when the Rs 360 is divided in a 4:5. Its answer is 160. Analogy, knife is to cut as pen is to write. Eye is to see and ear is to hear. Pen is to paper and paint brush is to canvas. Sun is to day and moon is to night. Real interest rate, an interest rate that has been adjusted for inflation. What is the primary objective of branchless banking? Financial inclusion of unbanked populations. What are the primary services provided by agents in a branches banking? Cash in and cash out services. Next question, Which specific function is not typically performed by a bank sub branch? Group based lending. How is customer like Mr. Ahmed classified if they visit a bank without prior appointment or account relationship? Walk-in customer. To whom are inoperative deposits surrendered after biometric verification? The customer. What is the purpose of letter of thanks in banking? To thank a customer for opening a new account. Which document is standardly used to verify the source of income for business owners? Salary slip of the owners. Term promissory note. Definition: a written promise to pay a specific sum of money. What is crossed check? A check that cannot be cashed directly at the bank counter. What is a special crossing on a check? A crossing that includes the name of a specific bank between the lines. Which banking instrument is considered a hybrid of a demand draft and pay order? Bank checks. What tool is used to verify the genuineness of CNIC in Pakistan? Very says. What does a high debt to equity ratio typically indicate for a business? A high reliance on borrowed funds. Term bond naturally date. Definition: the specific date when the principal amount of a bond will be repaid. What is the default file extension for documents in Microsoft Word? Docs. Next question: which MS Word feature is used to check spelling and grammar? Its answer is spell check. Which symbol must start every formula in Microsoft Excel? Plus. Give an example of a physical computer component hardware. Its answer is printer. Which component is known as the brain of the computer? CPU. Term application software. Definition: software designed to perform specific tasks for users. Which hardware device to use to capture digital signature? Touch screen. Which computer component is used to display transaction details? Monitor. What type of device is used as a self-services terminal in banking? Touch screen. Next question: what type of computer memory is characterized as volatile? Its answer is RAM. Which component stored data that is currently being processed by the computer? Its answer is RAM. How does RAM affect computer performance when multiple apps are open? It improves performance by allowing more data to be accessed quickly. What is the standard protocol used for sending emails? Simple mail transfer protocol. Which symbol is mandatory in every email's address? @ What is the common term for spam emails, junk emails? In which month are cucumbers typically grown? Hot summer months. What specific risk does crop insurance protect against? Crop failure due to natural disasters. Term reforestation. Definition: the process of planting trees on barren land. Which is not following a rabi crop? Wheat, barley, or rice? What does the acronym TADS stands for in the context of livestock trade barriers? Transboundary animal disease. What does the Barani area refer to in agriculture? A rain-fed area. Which factor is generally considered not beneficial to banks in the agricultural sector? lower output prices. According to agriculture business risk, what is surprisingly not considered a threat? High cost of inputs. What is a major interest risk when lending to farmers? Weather. What are the primary uses of long-term agricultural loans? Land purchase, irrigation system, and major infrastructures. Term farm budgeting. Definition: the process tracking and calculating farm expenses. What is the main risk faced by agricultural lenders? Weather dependency and crop failure. Which soil type is considered a balanced soil mixture? Loamy soil. Which irrigation method delivers water directly to the plant roots? Drip irrigation. Which irrigation method function similarly to natural rainfall? Sprinkler irrigation. What type of government allows the citizen to participate through voting? Democracy. What is the currency of Denmark? Danish krone. What is the capital of Switzerland? Bern. Who is manager director of IMF according to the source? Dan Kurtz. If it is 12 p.m. in Multan, what is time in Beijing? 3:30 a.m. In which continent is Greenland located? North America. Which country hosted the FIFA World Cup 2022? Qatar. Who was the first female Prime Minister of Bangladesh? Khalida Zia. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. What is the average human body temperature in degrees Celsius? 37 Celsius. Term cultural heritage. Definition: traditions and values passed down through generations. What is the term for art involving poetry and sculpture? Cremix. What is considered a fundamental duty of a citizen? All of the above as per source listing journal duties. So here is the whole video. Thank you for watching.